Today we are going to see how e-Seva Mayam, how we can start, how much profit we can get from this, what are the requirements for that starting, what are the how much we have to invest it, how we can get bank loan, and how to make a project report, and what are the interest rate is there, how much if we await, how much we have to pay monthly, what are the opportunities are there. Nearly there are 114 certificates we can download from this e-Seva. Then income and expenses, how much income will be generating, how much expenses will be there, what is the monthly profit we will be getting, what are the nodal agencies from where we can get this, where we have to apply and how we have to apply, where we have to get this tender, and this how to make this projected balance sheets, and what are the how they are derived, like where we have to approach it, and e-district manager. These details, complete details we will see. So this is Tamil Nadu government, Tamil Nadu e-governance. So nowadays our Modi ji has also told India is a digital India. So everything is going to be digitally. So this e-Seva Mayam is we will get the certificates, because if I go daily to Taluk office or the collectorate and you are asking for birth certificate or community certificate, if they are not giving at all, really it's a boring one. So we will apply it and we will track it and we will get it. If you are not getting, we will be surely we will be getting. They will have to give answer why it is being rejected and all. So it is a easy method and fast method in this digital India. So what are the requirements? First, we will have to get a franchise ID. This franchise ID, they will be giving the franchise ID. There are 6 nodal agencies from where we have to apply, and a tender will be giving. So when we apply, we have to pay 10,000 rupees of application fees, and 40,000 if our application is accepted, and 40,000 you have to give us a deposit for 1 year. Every year it will be renewed. We must have a PAN card, we must have GST number, and Udyog number we must have, and rental we must have an office which is having nearly 100 square feet to 150 square feet minimum we must have, because we have to put our computer, every accessories, and the people has to come and get it done. So it has to be arranged according to that. So you must complete any degree, it's a compulsory. These are the requirements. What are the investment? Maximum if you see, I have put here 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. So maximum if you see 1 lakh or 1.5 lakhs, it's enough for starting this business. This is very low investment, but we will be getting monthly income of short income of 67,000, yearly income of 8,06,000, which is the best income for us. Instead of going and working under somebody, and if we start our own, it gives more. So investment is a laptop. So for purchasing one laptop, it will be 40,000 rupees. It will be there. For printer, so roughly it is 8,000 to 10,000 with a scanner, printer, color printer, everything if we having. Then if you see camera, for capturing camera, so nearly 15,000, 10,000 to 15,000. Biometric devices, it is also nearly 10,000. Internet connection, if we buy a Jio Wi-Fi connection or BSNL Wi-Fi connection, anything, so it will be very cheap. Xerox machine, it's added advantages. If you put Xerox machine for any banks or colleges, schools, any project, if you do, it will be best income for us, side income. So bank loan, so we must have a license copy always, and quotation we must have it for purchasing these equipments. We must have PAN card and Aadhaar card, and rental lease agreement you must have, then only bank will accept it. So market study, bank also will see whether anybody is there near to you, say same business is doing, it will be checked. So you have to apply through Mudra, UEGP, anything. Project report, you must give your name and your address, what is why you want, what are the activities, where you are going to start, whether rental agreement or lease agreement you put, how much bank loan you need, repayment, how you are going to repay it, and DSCR ratio, CMA ratio. After repaying also you are having money in hand. So this sufficient money in hand, everything this is being analyzed in this project report. So from my suggestion, so if I am taking bank loan of 1 lakh for 9.5%, 3 years, so monthly I have to pay 3,500, which is very less. I can offer, it is affordable to pay. If I am getting bank loan of 3 lakhs, I have to pay nearly 3 times. So nearly 10,000 I have to pay yearly. 82. This is 8,200, and interest I am just saying. And then here we have to pay 25,000 interest. Remaining amount 36,000 roughly it will be coming. In that 8,000 for in the remaining amount. So remaining 23,000 will be for principal, it will be going. So total interest I will be paying 15,300, 50,000 I will be paying. So at the end of this 1,15,000 I got to pay it, 3,50,000 I got to pay it if I have 1 lakh or 3 lakhs loan. Okay, what are the opportunities are there? There are 114 certificates you can download it, other plus other services. So Aadhaar updation, for Aadhaar updation of PAN number, so if I want to change my mobile number or addresses, I have to pay 50 rupees. In this 50 rupees, 35 rupees will be given to me because I am doing 15%, 30%, 50 rupees will be given to government. So I will be having my net banking account, from that it will be debiting. I will get 50 rupees from the customer for one Aadhaar card. So like that, community certificates, then nativity certificate, birth certificate, pension, you can apply through pensions, 10th certificate, widow pensions, disabled persons, income, e-ration card. Now if you are getting ration card, you have to do it online. So you have to give all the details like your local nativity or local proof of your gas or anything. So otherwise then your PAN card, everything, you have to PAN card, Aadhaar card, everything you have to submit it. So so for doing e-card, even I have paid nearly 350 to 500 rupees I have paid for getting a ration card, but the government has told nearly 100 to 150 only for doing that. Voter ID, ECs. So for banks, EC need any loan, so EC will be taking income certificate. So for taking EC, 150 rupees, 200 they are charging. Patta chitta, e-bill, and then tax bill, then train ticket, flight ticket, Tirupati Devasthana bills, all things are doing through internet only. So these are the very good opportunities plus added advantages for you. So income, if you see Patta chitta 5 only 5% are coming. So nearly 5 Patta chitta I am taking. Aadhaar 30 Aadhaar I am updating. 35 rupees only I am getting. EC 150 rupees for taking one EC. Survey number you have to put. You have to put the area. According to that particular area in whose name it is there, with whom or with the bank, and that all the details will be there. For taking Xerox, schools, colleges, banks, government sectors. If you have a very good tie-up arrangement, you will be getting daily. So approximately daily 3,250, monthly if you see 97,000. So yearly you are getting 11 lakh is 70,000. For this expenses like paper, you are taking print, so papers are there. So 1,62,000 labor. So I am a owner, even though I am a labor. So my salary will be 1,08,000. Rental 24,000, EB and bank interest, and this is bank interest. Everything we will be calculating, and roughly others also you have taken 10,000. So roughly 3,64,000 it is coming here. So if you see this 3,64,000, income is 11,70,000. I am getting good income, and expenses are there. Expenses must be there. Income and expenses must be there. So 8,06,000 I am getting yearly. If I divide it by 12, so monthly I will be getting roughly 67,000 to 70,000 constant income. So 9 o'clock I will be going. So up to 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock I am doing this work. I am getting this very good income. So how we have to apply this? Applying, so this is income and expenses scheme, and this is reflected in projected balance sheet. So if you see projected balance sheet, the income is 11,70,000. I have put job work up, this patta sitta, then other everything, then purchase, labor, everything we have put expenses. I have minused it, so I have got this net profit of this much amount. So this came due to this balance sheet of capital and liabilities. 4 lakhs I am having. Fixed asset, this is capital I am having at any time to repay. Liabilities I have got from bank or friends and relatives, 3 lakhs. This is fixed asset. Due to this borrowing, I have created assets, 3 lakhs. Current asset I am having for purchasing of books, paper, other materials. Then receivables I have to get from the party. Like if we are having tie up with banks for Xerox copies, weekly they will pay or monthly they will pay. According to that, the sum amount will be in question. So totally 4 lakhs is there. From this I am generating 11,70,000. So normally every district will be having a district manager, and this e-Seva is being applied by, first is e-district portal, e-Seva portal, and that is CSC. First two is state government, third is central government. CSC is Common Service Center. First you apply it, you generate a number. After that you apply for the e-Seva. According to that, the tender will be given, you will be getting. So as per 2018, there are nearly 10,500 e-Seva centers are being created. So this is added advantages that BC, business correspondent. Every bank is having business correspondent for paying payment to villages. So they daily will come from 10 to 2, they will come and collect money, and they will go to villages and repay them. So on Friday they will equalize it, they will make it 0. So if you starting a e-Seva Mayam and plus business correspondent, both these you can club together and you can get a very good income. So you are doing college project works and then printing, like that. If you do multiple business by having this e-Seva Mayam, it will support your family, and this is a very good income, because you are going to invest only 1 lakh or 1,50,000 only. From that you will be getting very good income. So my sister, so here there are e-district manager will be having in every district. They will be monitoring of e-district portal, e-Seva, CSC. They will be giving to like if you see in Tamil Nadu Cable, Arsa Cable TV, Electronics Corporation of Tamil Nadu, VLE, village level entrepreneurs to develop them. So like this, there are six firms which will give tenders. So each state they will be having same methodology. So like this in every location, sir. So collector office will be there, corporation office will be there, Taluka office will be, e-Seva Mayam will be there, municipal office will be having. Now they have started in banks and area, service area where people are going here and there. So from this, government is also getting 30% of income, and we are also having 70% of income. This is a very less investment, and we are having very good profit. So if you start by this, it will give you, fetch you very good income. And this, so anything, please comment in the comment box. Please subscribe, because one of the friend asked me how to start e-Seva, so I have put it. Same thing. If you have any query, please put it. I will make arrangement for presenting it to you. Thanks a lot. Best wishes. Be a businessman. Surely like me, you also make others to aware of doing business. Thanks a lot. Best wishes. Continue and support me by subscribing. Thanks a lot.